feel like today is a good day to go to the Tulip Festival. It's nice and sunny outside. The hail stopped, so we're gonna go in, see what's there. Through the bathrooms. Okay, officially stamped. Basic rules. Did you read them? Don't pee on everything. You're gonna pee on this, of course. There we are. What do you think? Incredible. Look at these ones. What do you think? Okay, time for some dog photography. Maybe that's our little scratch. Cookie. So many colors and shapes and all. Oh, look at these ones. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. Spiky. Wow. And that's how well he's behaving. He's smelling all the flowers. So I'm just gonna go ahead and take some photos of this beautiful animal. These ones are so interesting. They look like poppies. A little bit of rain's coming back to us. So cute. It's like Hawaii in here. Just need a rainbow. Well, I guess the tulips make a rainbow, doesn't it? Yeah, this is like Hawaii. Woo! Dutch shoes. We just reached the end of the field. There is a highway. Very interested in getting somewhere. I wonder where is that? Just back to eating his grass. Don't like that much. Okay. Wait. This must be one of my favorites. Look at that. What do you think? How I feel sometimes. Out of place, but still beautiful, even if a little bit damaged.
He's so cute! Oh, Cooper, I love you! I love you, baby!
I have nothing for you.
He's so
Is he allowed barbecue chips?
No, don't.
And that's a wrap for today. And we'll probably be back this season